Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Southern University banner account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Southern University banner account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Southern University login banner. After searching for Southern University login banner, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says user login. So after tapping on user login, it will take you to the login page of Southern University where you can enter your user ID and PIN. So just simply enter your user ID and PIN. So after entering your user ID and PIN, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your PIN, what you can do is just easily reset or recover your PIN by tapping on forgot PIN and create a new one. After creating a new PIN, come back to this login page and just enter the new PIN that you have just created and then tap on login. After tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your Southern University banner account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Southern University banner account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.